Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to stabilize your videos in CapCut PC. I do not have the Pro version, this is in the basic CapCut version. So let's put everything back to scratch here. So what we're going to do is add our video that we imported to the timeline. Now once your video is on the timeline, you will see here under the video section, you need to be on basic. So it's video, basic, then underneath the blend option you'll see stabilize. Maybe your blend is open, scroll down, you'll find stabilize. Click that on and it'll immediately start, though you can change the levels of stabilization. So we'll leave it on the recommended and see how it comes out. Wow, that is honestly more trash than it was before. It actually looked way better before, but yeah, the video didn't need stabilization. This is just a demo. Though, thank you so much for watching. Do consider subscribing and hitting that like button, and I'll see you in the next video.